Hey guys, it's Aria here. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on how to do jumbo Senegalese twists in under 2 hours. So before we start this video, I'd like you guys to pause the video, go subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on all my social medias down below. And let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you,
So you're probably wondering, how in the world did you get all of this in under 2 hours? Well, honestly, these do not take nearly as long as what anybody thinks. Like literally when I did this, I was just like, okay, this is weird. The hair that I used for this hairstyle was this Glance Formation Natural Touch braid. If you guys have ever seen me with the protective style, always with this braiding hair, I actually love this braiding hair. It works for like so many styles. I really like how it's already feathers at the end, so I don't have to do it myself, and it's 30 inches. When I do hairstyles, I always want them to be really long, and this is already naturally long, so it just helps me better with my hairstyles, and it always just blends very well, and it's very soft, and it is actually very cheap. It always comes with 3 packs of them, 3 packs of hair in each package, and the packages are about like, they're like either like $5 or $6, so they're not very expensive for 3 packs of hair. So I got this at my local beauty supply store. I only end up using 4 packs of hair, like including both of those, but only bought 2 of them. So this is a very inexpensive hairstyle as well. It literally cost me like $12 for this whole hairstyle, and I have a total of 32 twists in my head, and they're all jumbo. I did end up blow drying my hair. I blow dried my hair just to make it easier to part, because I wanted my parts to be a little bit more neat than what I usually do. And I did that, and I just twisted each section at first, but I've learned really quickly that that is not what I needed to do. This style is pretty much like trial and error. You got to figure out what works for you. In the back, what I did is I like braided it for like 3, and then I started twisting, which worked for the back, but in the front I didn't want like the braid at the top like that. So I try to do like nothing, like not rubber bands or anything. By the way, I'm doing the rubber band method, but I tried doing just the hair, and literally it worked for maybe 2 days, and then they just started slipping out. Like they literally started slipping out, and I was like, okay, well, we need to switch it up. And I tried doing the braiding in the front, and it just didn't work. So I tried the rubber band method, and it works very well with my hair. It keeps it in, and also it doesn't show. If you guys can see, you guys cannot see the rubber bands in my hair whatsoever, and that's something I was really nervous about with doing this, but it blended in well. Yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys are going to need for this hairstyle. I know I'm looking so crazy right now. For my moisturizer, I'm going to be using this Tropical Roots Twist Cream. It has pineapple and guava. I don't know, but these type of products I always like to use in my hair whenever I am doing a protective style, because it keeps it moisturized all the way up until it's time for me to take it down. So that's why I really like having like thick products like this to put in my hair. You're also going to need some rubber bands, some black ones preferably, or some that go with your hair color. I dyed my hair black, so I'll be needing these black ones. To part your hair, you're definitely going to need a rat tail comb, and to also keep your other hair up, you're going to need some clips. And lastly, you're gonna need some gel to gel down your hair, well, your roots. The first one, I'm going to be using one that actually slipped out. So like I just explained, doing these without rubber bands, they're gonna slip. They're just gonna slip. Like even like if your hair is like very kinky, it's just going to slip. I don't know why, but they're just gonna slip. So I like to use the rubber band method to do this. So I need to part out a section. This is about as big as I want the sections to be. I want it to be, of course, these are supposed to be jumbo twists, so I wanted them to be really big. First, I'm going to go in with that product, and I'm going to take about that much, and I'm going to work that in from ends to roots. Something else that I like to do whenever I do a hairstyle or anything, I like to always go in with my rat tail comb and also comb it out. Now it's time to take my Eco Styling gel and put this all on my roots. Whenever I do twists, I don't like to put this all throughout the hair because it makes this hair curl up, and I wanted to blend in the most with this hair. And since this hair is like really sleek, like you can't be doing that, so I'm using about that much of gel. I'm putting this on the root. Then it's time to take a rubber band, and when you do this, you want to actually do it kind of loose and a little bit, maybe like an inch from your root. You're gonna see in just a second. I'm just gonna go around maybe 3 times. I don't want it to be too tight. Also, before I get in, this key tip is you want to put oil on all of your rubber bands. It just makes it to where your hair won't break off as easy. Then you want to take your hair and go a little bit apart like that. You want to stick the hair through the middle like this, okay? And then you need to take your hair and then pull it tight. And then I take a little bit of gel and then I go through and I just twist the hair. The type of twist I like to do is a rope twist. This makes the hair get really tight, and so whenever I end it at the bottom, it won't be very loose. Alright, so now that I'm at the very end, what I do is I take it around my finger and then I tie a knot at the end. You pull through, and that just helps it stay. And then after your twist is looking like this. Alright, hopefully it's a little bit brighter. I think it is. Put on my ring light. So you're gonna take your rat tail comb, you're gonna part your hair. My hair's already kind of like pre-parted, so I'm just like kind of defining out the part again. Going in with that cream, taking about that much, getting it in from ends to roots. Taking my rat tail comb to comb it through, and then Eco Styling gel on there. And taking a rubber band, making sure to put it on loosely at the top, so pretty much an inch from your roots. Wrapping this around 3 times. Taking my hair, splitting this up a little bit, pulling the hair through. So honestly, you're pulling it through the loop from your roots to the rubber band, and then you're gonna take your hair, split it in 2, and then tighten. And then you're gonna take those 2 parts of your hair and then put them on each side of the synthetic hair, and then you're just gonna start rope twisting, which is just pretty much twisting really tight. So like every single time I twist, I go like this, then I wrap, and then I twist over. Open, twist, wrap. Open, twist, wrap, and then I just go all the way down. If needed to, your personal hair is like getting stuck out, take some gel, just a little bit, and just put it on. I usually always do this towards the ends, especially because I used to have bangs and like it's shorter than the rest of my hair. It usually doesn't get all the way into the braid or to the twist sometimes, so I do that, and I just keep doing that all the way to the ends. Very bottom, you want to make a knot. Now your twist is secured. I'm not gonna lie, at the top you can't even tell that I have a rubber band in there, but that is how you keep your hair from not slipping, because that's where it slips, is at the top. Alright guys, it's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This hair I've been having in for maybe like a little bit over a week, and I keep getting compliments on it, and I really like it a lot. And it's very lightweight. It's not very heavy on your hair whatsoever. Like, braids are heavier to me, and braids are really light, honestly. This hairstyle is very light, and you don't need as many twists. I literally only have 32 in here. Also, I forgot to mention what hair color I got. I got the color 1, which is like pretty much like jet black, because I dyed my hair jet black. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on all my social medias down in the description box. And don't forget to click that bell so you never miss a video. It's so like great. And yeah, okay, bye.